Welcome to Craft Time with the HPL Library. This craft was made by Miss Sonia. We are making a recycled tin can craft. This craft is intended for ages 12 and up. You will need 10 supplies for this craft project. Tin cans can be recycled. You can choose whatever size you prefer. An old magazine can also be recycled. Glue, acrylic paint, and a water-based sealer. This item is optional. Scissors, ruler, skewer sticks, hot glue gun, and a paintbrush. First, paint the can with the color you want. Do it twice. We chose green. This is the can. Second, cut the paper into 3 sections. You can use a ruler if you would like to. Roll the paper on the skewer stick like this. To seal the end of the stick, you may use glue. This is one paper stick. You will wrap your paper stick like a flower. This is one paper flower. Third, make an amount that you think is enough to cover the entire can that we have previously painted. Miss Sonia did about 60. Proceed to stick the paper flowers on the cup with hot glue. This is the end product. You can paint your flowers if you would like to. You may also use a water-based sealer to protect your craft. You can use this can as a flower base or act as a caddy to put your school supplies in. Enjoy! Thanks for joining Craft Time at the HPL Library. Make sure to share photos of your completed craft online and tag us using #ILoveHPL. See you next time!